So there are no, for me, how I decided to choose my optional, my background is engineering. I did my mechanical engineering from IIT Kanpur, and I had an optional as chemistry. So I chose chemistry not because I had studied in graduation, because I found the papers like, for choosing optional, go to past 5-6 years papers of that optional that I did with chemistry also. Go to those papers and see, like when you read those questions, are you able to know, feel comfortable in those questions? Like when I saw the chemistry paper, I got to know that somewhere like 50-60 portion of that paper I've studied in JEE. Like I can, maybe I'm not able to answer it, but I know I can answer it if I read those things or if I revise those things. So only 40 or 30% of the paper I need to study now. So that was how I decided to take chemistry as an optional. So same way you can do it. Go and see 4 or 5 years papers, past year papers, and see like whether you are comfortable in those papers or not. One way you can decide your optional like this. See the syllabus then. Syllabus, is it appealing to you? Whether you will be able to see, optional is such, whether it should be according to your interest. GS you have to study mandatory, everyone of you will be studying it. Essay, everyone will be studying. Optional will be different for each one of you. So take something in which you have interest in. Because, see, I should share this one also, like it is 500 marks essay paper, optional paper. So in optional paper, 300 is supposedly good marks. More than 300 is supposedly good marks in optional. And it's not that easy also, you have to like really work hard for that. People score like 260, 280, 290, but whatever optional you take into consideration that you have to score that high marks in optional, because ultimately interview is also very subjective. Maybe you get high mark, maybe you get very low marks. But this, what I told about mains, GS, essay, optional, that is in your hand. Okay, so prepare well for them so that 300 marks in this, or accordingly get good marks in mains at least. So decide accordingly, interest, syllabus, talk to the people who have already given from that optional, like how is the marking. Don't give that much attention also, like for example, this year or past year, mathematics optional has been doing very well. But if you don't have an interest, then that is no point for you. You need to have an interest. For example, anthropology is good optional. People are taking it right now. It is giving good results also. But not necessarily that each year they will be giving results. And if you don't have any interest in that, you won't be able to score that high. Trust me. Have interest in that, in a particular optional, and then choose it. For example, Pol Science is also one good optional if you have that background. And you can take optional according to your background also. See, you must have studied something for 3-4 years. So definitely you will be feeling comfortable in those. You have given papers in those optional or in those subjects. So you can take those optionals as well. And what I suggest for optional, any more question on optional? Or, yeah. I didn't take mechanical. See, mechanical problem is this. What happens, engineers, they give Indian Engineering Air Services exam also, IES. You have heard about it? So, but I didn't decide, or I didn't want to give that exam. My aim was that I should be preparing for UPSC only. So if I had to give IES, then I would have taken mechanical engineering, because that optional is common in both these exams, IES as well as IS. And if I would have taken mechanical engineering, so most of the students who take mechanical engineering as an optional, they are the students who qualify IES exam. They study one particular year for that optional. And according, like my interest also lied in chemistry. Like, you have to practice a lot in your optional. You have to write answers also for past 20-30 years or past 15 years. So until and unless you have that interest in you, so it would be like a drag for you. You have to unnecessarily study, and it won't definitely give good results also. So first is interest. Second was that competition will be very high if I have to compete with IES students, because I haven't prepared mechanical at that well. College mein sab padhte hain, but us hisab se nahi padhte hain na, you have to give an exam. But when you're preparing for any competitive exam, you study a lot competitively. College mein वैसे नहीं पढ़ते हैं. So that's why I took chemistry. Any option?
Sir, is chemistry optional good for that, sir? How is the marking, and sir, what type of
You have chemistry as a background? You have studied chemistry?
I'm a chemistry.
Done with the college?
Sir, but I talked to one teacher, sir. He told that the paper comes very applicative in the recent years. So he said that I would
Success rate is very low. Who told you this?
Sir, one teacher told, sir.
Your college teacher, huh?
No, sir. Coaching teacher.
Okay. R.K. Singh, sir.
No.
Okay. No, chemistry is a very good option. This year I scored 308 marks. And when I got my services, income tax services, that year I scored 309 marks. And that is good marks. No.
Sir, how much time it takes to complete it, sir?
For chemistry, it will take 3 to 4 months. Full dedication, 3 to 4 months, your optional will be done. Anyway, any optional will take around 3 to 4 months only, maximum 6 months. Okay. See, for example, Pol Science I was talking about. Pol Science helps you in your GS preparation also. No, it will have syllabus common with ethics or paper 2 in international relations. It may help also in essay also to write a innovative essay or to give some points from you which might not everyone be knowing. So, but chemistry doesn't have that edge. No, you don't get any help in GS or essay. But marks you can score very well here. Like this year, the highest was 326. And on average, I think people get around 300 marks. So it's a rewarding option. You can take it. According, if you have interest in it, so you can take it. No, don't talk to too many people. There is an sir R.K. Singh sir. So you can go if you have a background also. You don't need to do coaching as well. Take the notes, study by yourself.
Sir, but is test series of optional, sir?
Yeah, do the test series. No, practice a lot. See, this exam only requires 2 things. First one is hard work, and no, that involves practice for prelims, mains, and everything for interview as well. And second thing is patience, because it's a 1-year program. So don't run out of patience. Have patience. Even if you don't get into first attempt, give another attempt. Getting into first attempt, no, everyone wants to be getting selected in the first attempt. But if not in first attempt, then second attempt. There's a friend of mine. She gave 5 prelims, and she didn't qualify any of those. But she gave the 6th attempt, and she is into the Indian Revenue Services income tax. So it's equally good. No, you don't lose anything. It's even worthwhile if you get selected in the 6th attempt. There are so many students or even selected candidates who give the 6th attempt and then they get into the services or the services which they desire for. So have patience. Even if you don't get, if you miss by few marks, like for example this year, my friend, he missed, I think prelims, what he was telling me, by around 1 or 2 marks only. But he won't be able to write mains this year. It happens. You will miss mains by at least 3-4 marks or maybe 10-20 marks, but don't run out of patience. Have patience. No, if you keep on practicing, if you keep on doing hard work, definitely you will be into the list. Maybe in the first attempt or second or third. From Hindi medium background. Okay. How many of you are from Hindi medium background? आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है ना? हिंदी में बात करें, कोई इशू? मतलब ऑल ऑफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल इंग्लिश? हिंदी? हाँ, आ रहे हैं ना? देखो यार, हिंदी मीडियम में इश्यूज तो होते हैं. देर आर डिफरेंट चैलेंजेस ऑल्सो. आपके हिंदी में आई डोंट थिंक देर इज अ नेशनल न्यूज़ पेपर ऑल्सो. Like in English, we have Hindu or Indian Express or maybe other newspapers also. So material का definitely दिक्कत होता है. But that doesn't mean कि there are not people who are not getting selected by Hindi medium. My friend only, he is with me in the service income tax. He's a Hindi medium background and he is giving exam another time. One more attempt he will be giving. I think Sihag, the one person in this year also. So every year there will be students from Hindi medium background also. I know there are challenges which you have to deal with it. No, there are resources, very limited resources compared to English background. But if you have a Hindi background, it doesn't give you a negative edge, or no, you don't lose out on anything. It's just that resources are very less, guidance is less. But if you work hard, no, in those limited resources, you will be able to get through. Like a friend of mine about whom I am telling you, he's from Hindi medium background only. And he got a very good rank. So don't feel demotivated or bad about that. It's equally good. You have to work hard, but even harder because resources are less. So, any more questions about Hindi medium? Because see, I may not be able to answer Hindi medium questions because I don't have that experience. So a person. the people who are checking the copies, yeah, they are from, so Hindi medium, if you write in Hindi medium, so the people who will be checking your copies will be also from Hindi medium. See, people write, I think, in Hindi only. There are optionals like Sanskrit or Telugu or Sindhi literature. So there are evaluators for each language. It won't be a problem. Yeah. Okay. So optional we have discussed. Any more questions on optional? Yes, physics is also a very good optional. If you have interest in that, because physics optional has lot of, you have to, it's a syllabus, no, syllabus is a bit wider. So फिर तो you तो already have so much knowledge about physics. I can't give anything on this. Take physics optional if you have interest in that. See past 4-5 years. I'm again saying, everyone should go to past 4-5 years papers, and then evaluate yourself. Okay, whether you are comfortable with those questions, because you have to be very comfortable, no? Otherwise, if you feel question, if you feel fear, then there is no point of taking that option, which I might be feeling if I've seen physics paper. I may not be very comfortable in that, so I didn't took that, or with mathematics also. Chemistry, I was very comfortable because I've already studied that. Okay, any more question on optional? No. Fallback plan. Yeah, see, this is very individual question. No, if you, that's why, no, a girl, you were studying in the college and you was asking whether I should prepare from the college. Do not neglect your studies during your college. Even if you don't qualify this exam, you need to have very solid education background. You agree on that? No, you need that. Anyway, you need that. If you even if you qualify that, always it's on your side if you have a very strong education background. So, fallback or plan B or plan C, it is very individual choice. But what I'll recommend, if you are giving first or second attempt, give it with full energy. Don't think about second or first plan. Okay, because if you have already that plan in your head, no, so you'll be feeling, no, you might not be putting 100% of your efforts, because you already know, if I don't qualify this, I have this way to go. Give first 2 attempts at least with full energy. Don't think about anything else. And see, there are other exams also. Forest Service exam also is there. So don't worry, you will be in the merit list, either in this exam, Forest Service exam is equally good, Indian Forest Services. So don't think about at least in the first 2 attempts. Maybe after 3rd attempt, you may start thinking, if not this, then what I could do. But for that also you need a very strong education background. You should not neglect your studies. Prepare accordingly in your time. Don't give time to other activities, give this time, extra time to this, but be regular with your college. You are also in college? Which year? 3rd year, no? So these 3rd year, 4th year will be very crucial for you. If you want to prepare, but do not neglect your college. Give your exams very well, have a good CGPA or whatever. Okay? Optional done. So go and see past 4-5 years papers, see the syllabus, talk to the people who have already given from that optional, and then decide. And once you have decided the optional, no, don't have this dilemma in your head whether this optional is good or bad. Once decided, it's decided. Go on, okay? Don't have a second thought on that.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.